The nanotechnology degree itself is all about the application of nanoscience, which is the science of things at a very, very small size regime that fit in between classical physics and quantum mechanics. So an area that hasn't really been established for very long and provides us with a lot of new applications.
Because it's such a varied degree, we do different styles of labs. We do physics labs, biology, chemistry, so you get a real look at all the different ways you can do science.
Chemistry and physics are primarily the two areas that a student should be happy studying and be successful at. Aside from that, it's useful to have a mathematical background, but chemistry and physics are the definite main courses that are required. Nanotechnology itself is an interdisciplinary science, so it's really necessary for the students to study all areas of science, which makes nanotechnology a unique degree in that regard. So students start off studying chemistry, biology, physics and material science, and as they progress through the degree they start to specialise in particular areas where they're hitting the interface between one of those subjects or two of those subjects. So students will gradually specialise in either the interface between chemistry and biology or physics and material science or any of the others. So that's how they move on. The main outlet for our students at the moment is going into PhD programs where they're developing their own nanotechnology towards a real-world application. 50% of our students end up in that area. The other 50% go into small startup companies or apply their knowledge of various different sciences at those interfaces where they're doing multidisciplinary research. So they're going into industry as people who have an intimate understanding of several different areas of science, or they're going into academic research to develop the science towards application.
I love being hands-on, so the amount of lab work I was able to do throughout the whole degree was fantastic. I absolutely loved it.
Conventionally, the old discoveries are always made within individual sciences. These days, all of the major breakthroughs are being made at the interfaces, which make nanotechnologists perfectly suited towards modern science and modern technology.